Hi everyone, I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making a one-pan pepperoni chicken dinner. Come join me in my kitchen and I will show you step by step how to make this easy, quick, and delicious pepperoni chicken. This pepperoni chicken recipe is so quick and easy with all the flavors of a pizza. I have 2 boneless chicken breasts that I cut in half in about 1/4 inch thick fillets. I'm drizzling each with a little olive oil and seasoning with some salt and black pepper on both sides. You will be able to find this recipe in the list of ingredients in the Show More section below. If you click on the word Show More, it will open and reveal this recipe, links where you can purchase some of the items that I use, and much, much more. If you have a chance, please check it out. In my oven-proof skillet on medium-high heat, I'm adding in some oil and the chicken fillets. I'm letting them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until they start browning and release from the pan. I'm turning and cooking on the other side for about 3 to 4 minutes or until done. Once done, I'm removing the chicken from the pan and setting to the side. In the same pan on medium-high heat, I have a couple tablespoons of the oil left, and you may need to add more if needed. I'm adding in some diced onions, bell peppers, and of course it wouldn't be pizza style without some mushrooms. Giving that a good stir and cooking for about 5 minutes. The veggies will release some moisture and help deglaze the pan. I quartered some pepperoni and I'm using turkey pepperoni. This will add a lot of pepperoni flavor to the sauce. Cooking and stirring for a minute. This is some diced roasted red bell peppers and a good bit of minced garlic. Cooking and stirring for 30 seconds, and then I'm adding in a large can of diced tomatoes and a couple tablespoons of tomato paste to help thicken the sauce. Cooking and stirring until well combined. And we are still not done adding more flavor. I have some oregano, some basil pesto that I needed to use, and you can add dried or fresh basil, and garlic and onion powder, giving that a stir and bringing up to a simmer and cooking for 5 minutes. Now I'm adding the chicken fillets and all the juices back into the pan and coating each one with the sauce. I'm turning off and removing my pan from the heat. Next, I'm adding some sliced fresh mozzarella cheese on top. And of course, we have to have lots of pepperoni. This is going into a preheated 425-degree Fahrenheit oven for 5 minutes and then under the broiler until the cheese is nice and melted and ooey gooey and slightly browned. And once the pepperoni chicken is done, let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. It is piping hot. The pepperoni flavor is throughout, and it tastes very much like a pizza. This pepperoni chicken dinner will be a family favorite. Serving tonight with some riced cauliflower and a side of veggies. I hope you give this easy and delicious one-pan pepperoni chicken recipe a try and enjoy. Holy chicken is typically chicken that is cooked or grilled and then basted with a sauce or glaze that has pineapple juice and other ingredients that add a nice, fresh, bright Hawaiian flavor. For my sauce, I have some pureed pineapple. I had canned crushed pineapple and I used my food processor to puree. Adding in some ketchup, brown sugar, or you can use honey, low-sodium soy sauce, and apple cider vinegar, giving that a good stir to combine. For the chicken, I'm using cubed, bite-sized boneless chicken thighs, and you can use chicken breasts. I'm adding a little oil to my medium-high heat pan along with the chicken and cooking for 5 to 8 minutes or until the chicken is done and then removing from the pan. Don't worry about all the tidbits and coating on the bottom of the pan. That will add flavor when we add the sauce. I have my heat on a medium, and now I'm adding in the diced onions and bell peppers. Cooking and stirring for a couple minutes, and then I'm adding in the fresh diced pineapple. Next is the minced garlic and ginger. cooking and stirring for about 30 seconds to combine, and then I'm adding in the sauce. This is smelling so good and I can't wait to eat. Bringing this up to a simmer, cooking and stirring for about 10 minutes or until the veggies are tender. Remember to give it a taste test for any seasonings that you may want to add. You will be able to find this recipe in the list of ingredients in the Show More section below. If you click on the word Show More, it will open and reveal this recipe, links where you can purchase some of the items that I use, and much, much more. If you have a chance, please check it out. At the end, I'm adding in the chicken and all the juices, stirring to combine and heating the chicken through, and we are done. Tonight I'm serving with some black jasmine rice. The earthiness of the rice is a nice texture and flavor contrast to the Holy Holy sauce. I hope you give this Holy Holy Hawaiian barbecue chicken a try and enjoy. Aloha! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!